What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has taken another hit, 5% down in the last 24 hours guys, and over the week it is down nearly 20%. And as you guys can see, since about the 16th of December, which was just under 2 weeks ago, it has been consistently dropping in value. Yes, it's hit their odd green days here and there, but overall it has taken a major hit. So we're going to be looking at how long is this going to go on for. Is it going to pump anytime soon? And with a couple of days till the end of the year, what can we expect? And also going into 2024, is it likely to pump up in value? Is it worth investing into it right now? Is it worth buying the dip, or is it going to keep dropping down? That's what we're going to be going through, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also its prediction going into 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using to do some technical analysis later on in the video. So for now, let's hide this and bring out the MACD indicator. And as you guys can see, it keeps dropping below the average value, which is the purple line here, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin. And it is trading at a lower value here, and it keeps dropping, which is not a good sign. But on the other hand, it also means that it may be undervalued and may be in for a potential pump. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They're not looking too steep, meaning this is going to be a very minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, do expect Milady meme coin to be trading at slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, it is going to be very minimal, because I'm also expecting a little bit of dips in between as well. So red candles and green candles are expected, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, and hence why I'm saying that the increase is going to be minimal, due to the fact that I'm expecting red candles in between as well. So moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking a little bit more skeptical here. One of the lines, which is the blue line, is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is going the opposite direction in a negative way, meaning we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? Is an overall fluctuation in value. So by mid next week, the crypto should essentially be hovering around its current price range here. However, what I'm expecting over the coming days is more red candles guys, so it should keep dropping in value over the next couple of days, before by the start to mid next week it should start to slowly gain value back to where it is at the moment. So essentially like a wave, dropping down over the next couple of days and then pumping back up, trading around its current price range. Hence why the graph is expecting, and myself, an overall fluctuation in value from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're not looking good at all. We've got the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, so it's not looking too good. As you guys can see here, this is not realistic either, because of the major drop that's been taking place over the last 10 to 15 days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep dropping in that direction over the next couple of weeks, which is not true and is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so end of February 2024, I am expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially higher than where it was trading earlier this month. As I mentioned in my previous updates, it should go for an overall increase in value, but that is only after the drop over the next couple of days. It should slowly and steadily start to gain value. But As you guys can see here, earlier on in December, it's gone for a major increase in value. I'm not expecting it to pump at that pace, but I'm expecting it to go for a slow and steady increase, meaning much smaller green candles should appear, but for a consistent basis, meaning overall over the next 2 to 3 months it should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. But if there are any major changes to that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. So again, I'm not going to go through the Fibonacci scale because I've already done that in yesterday's video about the resistance here, making it not sustainable because of the major pump. So yes, as mentioned in my previous updates, I am expecting Milady meme coin to be trading in the green zone towards the end of Q1. So around March time, the crypto should essentially be broken out from the red zone and heading into the green zone is what my expectations are. But again, is crypto, major changes can apply as usual. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has once again dropped by over 20% in the last 24 hours, making it $6 million, guys, which is again a huge drop in trading. But exact same reason as last time, the value of Milady meme coin keeps dropping, meaning not many people are interested into buying it or selling it right now. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to crash further or to pump back up in value for them to start investing or selling the crypto. So there's not much activity going on for Milady meme coin over the last 24 to 48 hours, as it has been dropping like crazy. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin, guys. I've seen your comments. I've seen a lot of you guys are holding billions and billions of Milady meme coin. I understand the reason is valued at a very low price. So yeah, buying billions of this is literally going to cost you not that much because of the current value of the crypto. And for those of you asking me, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, if I really wanted to invest into Milady meme coin right now, I would use something called DCA, dollar cost averaging. So for example, I had $500 that I wanted to invest into Milady meme coin. What I would do is invest £100 every day for the next 5 days, or $50 every day for the next 10 days, however you guys want to split it up, because the fact that it's been dropping in value, it could average out how much you're investing. So if you're investing $500 today at once, then obviously your current price range, it will be what it's worth today. But if it keeps slowly dropping in value over the next 5 days, then it's good because you're going to get the average of that. And same way go for selling as well. If you're on a profit, I wouldn't sell all of it right now because I'm a long-term holder, but if I was on a profit, I'll probably take out about 10 to 15% and keep the remaining for the long term. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin. If any of your predictions have changed, let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.